ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Especially media, I really appreciate the effort of media who have helped us in animal adoption scheme during the COVID time. Because of the support and the wide publicity given by media, there are 191 people who have adopted animals. The number of people who are supporting for the cause of wildlife conservation is more. And many animals, more than that animals, because ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಎರಡು animal ಕೂಡ adoption ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So many animals have been adopted, and today is a special day. Today is a new year, and today we have Vashishta Simha. Simha andre lion, alva? ಸಿಂಹಗಳು. So he is adopting Simha. So that is really very good news for us, and very good step to motivate everyone. All the people in the country wants to do something good. That's what I believe. Especially during COVID time, when we were all in lockdown, people wanted to do something good. ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅವರದ್ದು ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. So therefore people wanted to do something good, and they wanted to adopt animal, and online adoption was possible. So people sitting abroad, sitting in other state away, so they came forward to adopt animal, and that is our strength. That kind of positive spirit idre we can go further, and we can do many good things. So as you are all aware, because today you are all here together, so I would like to say that as per National Zoo Policy, apart from ex situ conservation effort of zoo, the main role is to create awareness and education, and also conduct research, studies, and training among the staff, and create awareness. Then we have rescue and rehabilitation is one of the goal. ಸುಮಾರು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ rehabilitate that animal in conditions that are favorable to the animal. And apart from this, I would like to say that the staff here has really helped us during COVID time. We are one of the large zoo in the country. There are only 5-6 large, self-sufficient zoos. Large ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಝೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಝೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5-6 ಝೂಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಘಟ್ಟ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ಮೈಸೂರು ಝೂ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ managing during this challenging time because of the support that we have received from the staff. So they are our building blocks. So if they are motivated and they are committed, then nothing can stop us. So we are able to successfully, run the entire work of awareness creation, ex situ conservation of animal successfully because of the staff support. And where we are sitting today, that is another unique thing. We are sitting at the northernmost tip of the Mysore Elephant Corridor. It's a big connected area. We are not away from any of the wilderness area. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋದು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಕಾವೇರಿ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿ, ದೆನ್ BRT, ದೆನ್ ಬಾಂದಿಪುರ್, ದೆನ್ ನಾಗರಹೊಳೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥಾಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಮಧುಮಲೈ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಸತ್ಯಮಂಗಲಂ. Then you have Wayanad of Kerala. These are all connected. So here we think that we are in a metropolitan city like Bangalore. No, just you come out of Bangalore for 22 kilometers, you are in a very much wilderness area. It is a protected area network, Elephant Corridor Reserve, and we are at the northernmost tip. So we were part of National Park, Bannagatta National Park. Now it has been separated so that we can have zoo activities here. Mrigalaya has been separated from the National Park notification way back in 2004. So we are part of the Zoo Authority of Karnataka. So Zoo Authority of Karnataka head office is in Mysore, and member secretary of Zoo Authority of Karnataka, Mr. BP Ravi, he controls 9 zoos. There are 9 zoos in Karnataka, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. So the main job of us is to create ambassador among citizens everyone, to sensitize them about ecological balance, about wildlife conservation, environment, solid waste management, carbon sequestration, sustainable development goals achieve ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. All those things is possible because we are able to talk to people. There are 16 lakh people visiting this zoo every year. ಅದು ಫುಟ್ಫಾಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬನ್ನಘಟ್ಟ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.